CS3 release early part of 2007, one of the most anticipated features of CS3 is the integration of this Sprite framework for Ajax. CS4, it simplifies web development further. The user interface has been enhanced to provide better integration tulad ng Photoshop, Fireworks, and Flash. CS5. CS5 release early 2010. Sabi dito, lahat ng cover ng CS3 is applicable sa CS5 software kasi pare-pares lang sila ng command na ginagamit. And mas pinadali ito at saka mas pinasimple. CS5.5 CS5 upgraded to CS5.5 to help developers to optimize websites for the variety of tablets, smartphones, and other devices. CS6, ito naman inirelease yung beta version ng Adobe Photoshop CS6. Beta, ito yung bugs na inirelease upang ma-improve yung software para ma-fix yung mga bugs sa isang software. CC 2014 or Creative Cloud 2014. This means everyone gets either a free upgrade or a free trial. Pero yung ibang tao mas gusto gamitin yung ibang tools na hindi ginagamit na ng Adobe Download Manager. CC 2015. Adobe CC 2015 focusing on workflow, performance, connectivity, and some of the Adobe Magic. Creative Cloud, released June 17, 2013. Ito yung software na in-offer ng Adobe system na nagbibigay access sa iba't ibang collection tulad ng video editing, web development, at photography.